Hey y'all, how's it going? Today I have a 2025 High Country 1500 Silverado. Yep, 2025. Listed at about $72,000. I'll give y'all a look of the interior. The High Country comes with 22-inch chrome wheels. Well, not chrome, it's alloy, or alloy / chrome, but it's not really chrome. It's just like a plastic trim. But anyways, think of that wood grain trim that I was telling y'all about that comes on the High Countries. The one on the Z71 is like more of a marble finish. It looks kind of better, but this is more of like a wood grain. See, the seats have like a brown tone to it to go with the color scheme of the wooden trims. The High Country logo there. It is 4x4. Get a nice High Country stitching in the headrest. Comes with sunroof. You know, the back glass is retractable. Let me give you a walk around. Let me check this seat real quick since I'm here. Go ahead and crank it up. As you can see, the High Country label here. You see the sound, boys, better sound system. I mean, for $72,000, it better come with a better sound system. Shoot. Has your hidden compartments, always like that. So we got the black on brown seats. Just checking, make sure there's nothing in here. Heated seats, of course. 22-inch wheels. Just don't have the double lift gate though. It does have a bed liner with the Chevy logo. Just wanted to try to see the material. Rear parking sensors. You get running boards, chrome running boards. This also have a matte package. And when I say matte package, meaning that it has the all-weather floor mats. So I will be installing the all-weather floor mats in here. Even though it has regular floor mats, but this one comes with the all-weather floor mat package from GM, so I'm gonna go ahead and install that. Just installing the antenna real quick. Give y'all a look in the driver's seat. I'm in about a second. Get all this stuff out of the way. Make sure the seats work. Glove, windows, I'm not a fan of that, but I guess it's supposed to flow. Got the chrome toe hooks instead of the colored red toe hooks like what comes on the Z71. Don't mind that, y'all. That's just a car passing by. As you can see, this doesn't have, oh, this does have fog lights. Let me let y'all see that. It's just covered up by the lower trim. Let me show y'all that. See it? Pretty dope, but I don't like the chrome trimming. I mean, I'm not a chrome trim kind of guy. I mean, if you like the chrome trim, then okay, but I'm more of the blacked out grill, blacked out trim, blacked out emblems. But I see how the chrome, why they decided to go with the chrome trimming, because of the rims, the door. So it's like a golden hear me. I said gold. I mean like a chrome and black on chrome. This is a Duramax. Let me get I'll let y'all know what liter it is, because this is not a 6.6, but it is a Duramax diesel. So this is a Duramax diesel high country, and it's 3.0. So it's a 3.0 Duramax diesel and a 2025 high country 1500. But mind you, this is the diesel version. You can also get it in gasoline with the regular 5.3 motor, or I believe the 6.2 motor. So I'm just gonna go ahead. You know, you got your AC seats, you got your heated seats. Right now I'm pulling it up to put some nitrogen in the tires and install the wheel locks. Let y'all get a look at the sunroof. Of course, can never go wrong with that. And then that back glass was a really cool, nice feature. Sunroof. And of course, if you look here, we have the rear view mirror. We have a camera for our rear view. So instead of seeing a reflection of behind you, you got an actual camera that's fixated in the rear of the vehicle that gives you a clear rear view. I mean, I don't like how zoomed in it is, but I guess for those who it works. But I can do without that. So I'm about to pretty much get ready to put nitrogen in the tires, check the oil. The fluids were good. The AC seats work, the heated seats work, AC works. So it's not really much. All the windows. It has a button here too. Turn on the AC. It does have a button here too that when you press this, it drops all 4 windows simultaneously. So I'll let y'all see that. A lot of the high countries have this feature. You see, you press it and it winds down all the windows. And then of course this lets down the lift gate. And of course you got your phone charger, port wireless. You got your 12-volt plug-in. You also got your C port and your USB charger. So that's about it, y'all. So 2025 diesel 1500 high country. And that's about it, y'all. Have a good one.